What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you. So this is one is a cursive handwriting workbook for kids. So this is a cursive handwriting workbook for kids. So this is a very easy niche, and at the end of the video I will give you a gift also. So stay tuned for that, and let me show you how you can do this. So this is a basic niche on Amazon KDP. So let me show you how much people are making. I'm using KDP here. As you can see, people are making a lot of money with this, as you can see. So this is, people are making over 30,000 and a lot of money. So how can you do this? So you use this as your main title for your book. Keep that in mind, and I'll show you how you can get the rest of subtitle and the keywords. So this one is independently published. This one is independently published. This is independently published. It's the same one. This is not, but the one next to it is independently published. So there are people like us making a lot of money just with this, just on KDP, just uploading for free basically. So, and I'll show you how you can get the interiors, the keywords, and all of the good things. So I go back here and I just go to kdpdownload.com. that is kdpdownload.com, and search for my interior, right? The cursive handwriting workbook. So as you can see, there are many results. You can buy any of this for cheap, or you can even download this for free. By the way, you can download 10 of these products for free, as you can see. So let me just scroll down here. There is a free trial here, I think. Yes, here it is. This is a free trial. You can just use the free trial also, just nothing. So I just copy this one. I just copy my main keyword, my main title, and let me show you how you can get the keywords. So I just go to kdprank.com and I just paste in my keyword. First I go to my magnet tool, the keywords research tool. So, and I paste in my keyword and I press search. By the way, this tool is free. Also, this is a Chrome extension. It will do this also, by the way. As you can see, it will show you the search volume and number of competing products, everything for free. It's just a Chrome extension. Just go to kdprank.com to download the Chrome extension, and it will show you all the results here like this. So I go back to my magnet tool. So I just press search here, go get keywords. As you can see, there are many keywords here. You can use any of this, but be mindful about copyright and all of that. I don't need to remind you that, but high search volume and lowest number of competing products. That's what you want to do. High search volume and lowest number of competing products. So you can filter this out on at the top, but this is the main thing. So keep that in mind and have fun with this one. Just use whatever keyword that you like. So I go back to my main keyword and I'll give you the gift here. This is my gift for you. This is a free secret KDP bestsellers guide. I wrote this book. I just need your email here, so I'll just send you all the keywords, all the good things here. I also give out Canva Pro for free, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you